Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Luxfee's memory foam pillow. Well, before that, basically gives you energy boost, it's cooling memory foam, stress reduction, and helps with back, hip, and joint relief. The zipper is on the back, and this thing is you can take off so that you can wash it. Interior. It's still kind of puffing up a little bit from being squished in that bag. It's just one layer of memory foam, which I personally like really more flatter pillows, because I feel like when there's like really high, like my neck gets strained. So this is actually perfect for me. Just one, thin little, resting spot. And I love that this is not only a pillowcase, but it's also like a protector. So you can use it as a protectant, or you can also use it as a pillowcase and then take it off and just simply wash it. But you can also put a pillowcase on top of this in case you don't want like creases on your face, when you wake up in the morning. That would be probably a good idea. But yeah, so you just put it back in and zip it back up, and that's it. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this pillow. If you want to purchase it, it's in the link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.